if you look and thinking that my brows looks a bit different than usual, it's because I just filmed the video using this soap brow by Revolution to create the feathery brow effect. Never done this before. I never tried this trend of feathery brows by using a soap bar. Have you tried this yet? Let me know in comments down below. But in this video I thought I'm gonna create like a quick and easy shimmery eyeliner. So for that I'm just gonna go with Revolution. So I'm gonna use the Revolution Diva palette. I'm gonna go with this pinkish red color. By the way, I love creating eyeliners with the shadow because I think this is the easiest way. So I think without any further ado, let's start. So because I do have the hooded eyes, I'm gonna do a bit of a like an eye contour. So for that I'm gonna go with the Reloaded Iconic Division palette by Revolution. As a transition we're gonna use this one. The outer corner and just higher than the creases as a transition color. Taking a bit of this brown color and gonna place it only on the outer corner, a bit in the C shape kind of. The base is nearly done. All I need is a bit of a lighter color, so I'm taking this color in here. I'm just gonna use my finger at first. I'm gonna go in the eye corner and the mobile lid, like till the middle, the place where we haven't applied any eyeshadow yet. And then just taking a clean brush and blending all of this together so it's nice and tidy. You could just use this as a makeup look if you wish. Just apply some mascara and you're kind of done. So I'm taking this Diva palette, the Glitter and Intense Metallic Finish Shadow Palette by Revolution, and this kind of like a pinkish red. I'm not sure how it transfers through the camera lens, but in reality it looks like a pinkish red metallic color. And for that I'm just taking the eyeliner brush by Real Techniques. Gonna spray this up with a setting spray, or you can just use water, up to you, as long as it's wet so it's gonna pick up the glitter better. Honestly, you guys, this glitter eyeliner makes so super simple. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes, apply some mascara, falsies if you wish, and that's it. So for the mascara, I'm gonna go with NYX Worth It Hype mascara. So mascara is on. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the Bella Chloe Wake Up and Makeup Magnetic Lashes in style natural. I've been absolutely obsessed with these. You've probably seen me wearing these a lot. It's a strip of magnetic lash that goes on the top and then a small ones that just adds on. Alright, so mascara and falsies are on. I'm just gonna finish doing off my face, apply some foundation, a bit of contour and all, and then we can finish off the lower lash line. Alright, so makeup is nearly done. Let's finish off the lower lash line. So I'm coming back to the iconic Division Reloaded palette. Gonna take this color in here for lower lash line, going middle and inner part, and then dragging to the outer corner. Basically all the lower lash line. And then coming back to this Diva palette, the glitter one, the same color we used for the eyeliner. Gonna go on the outer corner on the lower lash line. Just on the outer corner, so this eyeliner part kinda merges completed this flick. And then just adding a little tiny bit to the inner eye corner of this shimmery pink. Just an inner corner. I'm not even doing like something precisely on anything. Just inner eye corner. Some mascara and eyes complete. Super easy eye look. Looks like you spend a lot of time doing this, but in reality it's not. So using the same mascara as I use for top lashes. And makeup look will be complete. Oh, why? Always happens. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? I really do hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick eyeshadow tutorial and you find this helpful. Honestly, this was super easy to create, and if you don't have time to do this eyeliner, although this is the eyeshadow eyeliner and eyeshadow eyeliners are the easiest to create, so if you're a beginner or you're struggling with the eyeliner, go for the eyeshadow. Honestly, you can't go wrong with that. So if you don't have too much time or you don't want to apply the eyeshadow eyeliner, just go with this base with it and it's gonna already create kind of like a eye contour for you to lift your eyes up a bit if you have hooded eyes like I do. If you want something a bit more different that would look like you invested your time creating it, although it was super fast, add some, shimmering eyeshadow eyeliner and you're done. Here you go. Super easy, super quick. Hope you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly, you guys, you don't even know how much it means if you press that button to subscribe. I feel like I'm saying this every single video. It's just, I can't stress enough how important it is if you press the button. You're gonna support me a lot by doing this. And by the way, if you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures. I would love to see those. And yeah, I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day.